Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. We continue in our series with international Forex educator Gordon Clark II, who has taught financial principles in 129 countries. Mr. Clark shares his views on the spiritual side of money and how to grow your wealth.
So when we look at emotional stability, that may be because we have this money is evil, money don't grow on trees, I don't deserve money. So as we wrap up, give me like 3 or 4, sources of inspiration to show that I do deserve God's blessing.
Yes, ma'am. Well, number one, He created all this for you. So I'm going to say this. Number one, a scripture that I always go to, that I live by, Habakkuk chapter 2, verse 2 through 3 says, write down the vision, make it plain, for he that seeth it may run. It's for an appointed time, it will come to pass, it will not lie. So he's telling you that the moment that you speak it or write it down, it has to happen. Okay. Well, if you go to the dictionary and just type in define future, just go to Google. If you're watching this right now, go to Google and put in define future. And it'll tell you the definition is the moment following speaking or writing. So that means that what you speak or write, by definition, it becomes your future. So that alone right there tells a lot. And the reason that works is because in Genesis, you were giving dominion. This is when God said he gave you dominion. Dominion means authority. All right. But then here's the other thing, confidence. The word confidence has the word confide in it. Right. So when you confide in somebody, that's something that you trust. Right. But why don't we have confidence in ourselves? And the reason being is because we are the only people that know every single lie that we told everybody else and others. And so we're not confident, hey, I'm going to show up to train. I'm going to study. I'm going to give my all. And you know that yourself is lying. And so now that we know that we don't have confidence in ourselves in this area, then we want to push it off on somebody else. But the problem is we still didn't work on ourselves enough to hold ourselves accountable. And so no matter who's mentoring us, if we don't take care of ourselves and really hold ourselves accountable, then we're pretty much offering up trash to be mentored.
Lord. Wow. So this is Gordon Clark II on the Business Report, and I'm Denise Williams. I'll see you in the next conversation.
For the trading period ending August 15, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Office Supply Distributor Stationery and Office Supplies Limited with 2,782,628 units traded, representing 24.05% of market sales volume. Toll Road Operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited, Jamaican dollar shares with 2,048,027 units traded, representing 17.7% of market sales volume. And Toll Road Operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited US dollar shares with 986,475 units traded, representing 8.53% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On August 15, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US 47.53 million purchased and US 46.78 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $2.17 per dollar, selling the US at $161.38 and buying the US at $159.21. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $6.42 per transaction, with selling at $118.72 and buying at $112.30. The British pound yielded Forex traders $1.58 in profit, with selling at $218.52 and buying at $216.94. For our credit report tip of the day, small businesses often struggle with one of the biggest hurdles to growth: funding eligibility. What happens when you walk into a bank hoping to bundle a credit card, auto loan, mortgage, and line of credit, but your credit score is under 600? Well, here's the good news. Even with less than perfect credit, you can approach a banker with confidence. You if you have the right strategy. Check your credit report, dispute errors. Bring the bank statements to prove cash flow. And then highlight your savings habits. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.